In this video, I'll be showing you how to enable voice navigation in Google Maps. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this. So what you want to do, regardless of whether you're on iPhone, Android, or anything like that, firstly, go ahead and choose where you want to go. So let's just say I wanted to choose Monaco, then press directions. So now that I've started it, I see a speaker icon on the right side. So all I'm going to do is go ahead and click on that. I can choose alerts only. I can choose muted. And obviously, if I want it to, enable voice navigation, I want it to be unmuted. You can have it alerts only if you want to, but if you want everything, like every single turn, all of that stuff, just have it completely unmuted and then you'll be good to go. It's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all the other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.